One day, Earth will be silent. No bustling cities, no electric hum of civilization, no birdsong greeting the sunrise. Just emptiness, stretching over desolate landscapes, remnants of what once was. The sky, perhaps choked by ash or dust, bears no echo of our voices. A question lingers in that stillness. How does it all end? Let's begin with something closer to home. The slow unraveling of Earth's livable conditions. Right now, climate change tests our resilience, raising ocean levels, pushing heat waves beyond records, and destabilizing weather patterns we once took for granted. But that might only be a prelude. In some scenarios, unchecked carbon and runaway greenhouse effects could transform our planet into something approaching Venus, scorchingly hot, stifling, void of open water. Ecosystems collapse, agriculture fails, and humanity either adapts in biospheres or fades out amid resource conflicts. We see hints of how fragile our existence is, tethered to a thin band of suitable temperature and chemical balances. If we ignore every warning sign, Earth's environment could degrade until the only life left are extremophiles clinging to the edges of a dying planet. We also face the specter of human-made catastrophes that could accelerate our own downfall. Think nuclear war, unleashing a winter of radioactive ash upon the world, darkening skies and poisoning seas. Or an AI takeover, where machine logic spins out of our control, reshaping Earth to serve unfathomable goals. Maybe environmental collapse from relentless exploitation triggers cascading failures. First forests die, then the insects, then crops, and civilization crumbles into a domino effect. Each scenario underscores our capacity for self-destruction. We are architects of marvelous innovation, but also potential executioners of our biosphere. Yet, Earth's end might come from cosmic threats that dwarf our squabbles. A massive asteroid, akin to the one that ended the dinosaurs, could strike with the force of tens of thousands of nuclear bombs, blotting out the sun in a global firestorm. A mega-volcano, such as the one lurking beneath Yellowstone, might erupt, pouring ash and sulfur into the atmosphere, plunging Earth into a volcanic winter. Or a rogue black hole, wandering across the galaxy, silently devouring anything in its path, one day slipping into our solar system. Even our sun, the giver of light and life, is on a timer. Billions of years from now, it will balloon into a red giant, roasting our planet until the oceans evaporate and the very crust melts. Over that cosmic timescale, Earth stands no chance. But even if we outrun these disasters, the ultimate end may lie in the fate of the universe itself. Many cosmologists predict that in countless eons, all energy disperses. Stars die, black holes evaporate, and the cosmos goes dark and cold. A heat death. The concept is painfully bleak. No stars, no warmth, no chemical reactions capable of sustaining thought or life. If Earth somehow endures that long, it becomes just another inert rock, drifting in an ever-expanding, silent void. In that scenario, it's not just Earth that ends. Everything ends. All structures, all atoms, all memory fade into a final cosmic hush. So why does any of this matter to us now? Perhaps because it reminds us that our planet, fragile yet brimming with life, is a rare gift. Each day we get, each sunrise, each breath of fresh air is borrowed time. There's something humbling about recognizing that Earth will inevitably meet its demise. It doesn't diminish our achievements. If anything, it sharpens our sense of purpose. Do we escape Earth's fate by venturing to other worlds, seeding life among the stars, evolving into a multi-planet species? Or do we settle for a quiet acceptance that everything we've built, every story we've told, will vanish when the lights go out? Maybe the answer is both. Maybe we can find meaning in preserving what we have while pushing forward, always aware that our cosmic hourglass drips steadily. The thought that our entire history and all we love is but a fleeting spark in the cosmic timeline might feel tragic. Yet, there's also beauty in that fragility. Our stories gain intensity when we know they can't last forever. The Earth we stand on might hold secrets of earlier extinctions, of bygone eras that once thrived and died. One day, new forms of life, human descendants or otherwise, might remember us. Or not at all. That's the humbling paradox of existence on a planet bound to perish. So, where does that leave us? Maybe Earth is indeed doomed, whether from climate breakdown, cosmic collision, or the unstoppable expansion of the universe. Maybe nothing lasts forever. But for now, we live, we hope, and we create. In that finite window, we find purpose, community, and wonder. Our planet's story may be cosmic dust in the grand scheme, but it's ours. And if that alone isn't enough to move you, maybe it's worth asking why we crave permanence so deeply. Perhaps the real gift is the fleeting instant itself, the knowledge that we are alive in a brief spark of cosmic time. Let's not waste that spark on complacency. Let's love more fiercely, explore more bravely, and guard the fragile cradle we call home for as long as we possibly can. I invite you to share your thoughts. Do these visions of Earth's end fill you with dread, or inspire you to make a difference? Let me know in the comments. And if you found meaning or urgency in these words, please like and subscribe so we can keep this conversation alive for as long as our little world still turns. Because in a universe marching inexorably toward oblivion, every voice, every moment of connection might be the most precious gift of all.